Hey, what's going on, guys? And my name is Scott, and in this short video, I just want to explain to you what people are turning to today as far as to make money online. Now, you may have heard of something called affiliate marketing over the years, and right now, if you do some research, studies show that affiliate marketing as of 2016 had predicted over the next 5 years would be a $6.8 billion industry. Now, that's not millions, I said billions. So, what does that mean for you? That means it's time to get involved right now. Now, the reason why people are turning to affiliate marketing is because in affiliate marketing, you essentially just join up with a company and you promote their products. So there's no need for you to invest tens and thousands of dollars into coming up with your own products that you're going to be marketing. Um, Now, people just like you and me on a daily basis are making tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars per year doing affiliate marketing. And why? It's because they understand the power of this industry and the marketplace today. Now, let me just tell you a couple little things about what happens when you join up with a company and you become an affiliate. First, whichever company you choose, and there are many of them out there, just make sure you choose wisely. Um, but first, what happens is after you're all registered and signed up, the company will promote. They will they will give you your own affiliate links, your own websites to use. Now, these links generally include your typical capture page, or also known as a squeeze page. And what that does is that's there to collect email addresses. So you refer people to your website. People come in, they opt in with their email and their name sometimes, and then they become your lead. Now, after that, they're presented an offer. Now, after that person goes in and completes the offer and makes a purchase, you actually get a sale and you're awarded the commission. Now, I can show you a little bit of a company that I prefer as far as affiliate marketing. And if you look on my screen share here, that's the first thing you'll see. This is my back office. And if you look right here, you'll see capture page. Might be a little hard to see the mouse. Let me see if I can get a pointer or something. Let's see, mouse. Um, let's see. There we go. If you follow the little red dot there, you can see right here, capture page. And if we look at right here, this is a preview of what the capture page is for the opportunity I'm involved in. And if you want, we can actually preview it in a new window, give you a better idea of what that's like. Let's see if I could pull it up over here. There we go. So hopefully you could see that okay. We're gonna back out of this. Now, if you look, this is what your typical capture page would look like. See, as I told you, it's there usually to offer something for free. So you're trying to collect their name and their email address so that once you do that, you can start email marketing them in the future if they don't go ahead and complete a purchase right away. So let's go back to here. The next thing you'll see is another affiliate link that you have is generally directly to a sales page. And as you can see, here's one right here. Now, I'm not going to preview that one because that one's going to autoplay a video, and I don't really want to mess with the video feed that I'm sharing with you guys here today. But you can get an idea what that is like right there. Now, I just wanted to show you the reason I prefer this company that I'm involved in today. As you can see in the top left over here, it's called Legendary Marketer. Now, once you become a club member with Legendary Marketer, I'll show you all the training and everything that you get built into your back office. Now, when you go over to My Products, should be here somewhere, Legendary Marketers Club right there. Now, I'll move my screen share out of the way just a little bit, but if you look here, you can see there's all sorts of courses on learning how to promote your offers effectively. Now, you got courses on Facebook ads, you got a Facebook ads quick start system, You got a course on lead generation and tracking. You also have another course on how to track your traffic, leads, and sales, which is going to be very helpful. So you got the YouTube advertising fuel, you got the Facebook fan page formula, and you got Instagram, build it, grow it, and monetize it. Now, who wouldn't want to monetize any of their social media accounts, right? So that's about everything in the beginning. So that's the big reason I love the company that I'm involved in, because it comes with really everything you need to get you started and move you in the right direction. Uh, Also, as part of that, becoming a club member, you get assigned your own personal success coach, which is there to personally talk to you on the phone. And they're going to actually help lay out a plan for you to get you on the right path right from the beginning. Not many programs out there are going to offer anything like that. So when you come across one that does, I would say jump on it and look to take action and perform what they lay out for you immediately. Um, that's basically all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to get involved with Legendary Marketer, I will leave a link in the description below. And to your success, I hope that your future is full of prosperity. All right. Peace and blessings to you. Thank you very much. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you. Have a good day.